Hello everyone. Let's start the DPP discussion of chapter the cell. I have discussed around 10 questions in this DPP which is related to first part of your chapter the cell of Homi Bhabha book. So let's start this discussion. First one, match the following with respect to discoveries. So Robert Brown, Robert Hooke, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, and George Pallet and Collier. So Robert Brown. Robert Brown was famous for his discoveries on nucleus. So he discovered nucleus. Okay. So first one is nucleus. Next, Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovered dead cells. Robert Hooke discovered dead cells. And the next question is Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. He discovered living cells. This is most confusing questions that between these two, Robert Brown and Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, that which one is related to which. So Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, L for Leeuwenhoek and L for living, L for Leeuwenhoek and L for living. So Leeuwenhoek discovered living cell, but dead cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. Okay. So and next, just let me erase this. Next one is George Pallet. George Pallet discovered ribosomes. Ribosomes are also known as Pallet particles because the discoverer was George Pallet. Collier. Collier discovered mitochondria, which is a semi-autonomous organelle because it has its own DNA and protein synthesis machinery. So first question is clear. So let's move on to the next question. Which organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell? While discussing the chapter, I have discussed this, that organelle which is known as powerhouse of cell is mitochondria. So the correct answer is mitochondria because ATP generation activity takes place in mitochondria, not other organelles, because mitochondria has different machineries to carry out ATP synthesis. So mitochondria is powerhouse of cell. Done. So let's move on to the next question now. This is the third question. What is missing in animal cell but present in plant cell? Okay, so read the question carefully, that present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. So first option is chloroplast. Chloroplast is it present in animal cell? No, it's missing in animal cell. So first chloroplast is okay and it is present in plant cell. Okay, that is correct. And mitochondria, is it missing in animal cell? I don't think. Mitochondria is present in all cells. The quantity of mitochondria differs only. So first one is wrong because mitochondria is not, although chloroplast is the right answer, but mitochondria is not right answer. So first option is incorrect. Okay. Now let's move on to the second question. Second question, cell wall. Cell wall. Cell wall. Okay. It is present in plant cell, but is it missing in animal cell? Yes, because the limiting boundary of animal cell is just cell membrane. Animal cells lack cell wall. Mark it, animal cells lack cell wall. So the cell wall is correct answer because it is not present in animal cell but is present in plant cell. Okay, and next one is means second option, second part is chloroplast. So chloroplast is okay, right answer, because it is missing in animal cell and it is present in plant cell. Okay, that's okay. Then let's just for confirmation move on to the third option, ribosome. Ribosome is not missing in animal cell, it is present in both the cells. Okay, vacuole is also present in both the cells. Only the size of vacuole differs, like in plant cell the vacuole is larger. In plant cell the vacuole is larger and in the middle, but in animal cell the vacuole is smaller and in periphery. In plant cell the vacuole is larger and in middle. Okay, so it is not the right answer because it is present in both. We have to find missing in animal cell. Okay, next one is centriole and cell wall. Centriole is present in animal cell but not in plant cell. And we have been asked in this question that present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. So centriole is not answer, because centriole is present in animal cell and absent in plant cell. Okay, so centriole is not answer. So our right answer to this question is cell wall and chloroplast. Okay, cell wall and chloroplast. Next question is, what is missing in plant cell but present in animal cell? Okay, what is missing in plant cell? Okay, in plant cell it should not be present. Which one is not present in plant cell? Centriole. Yes, centriole is the right answer, because centriole is missing in plant cell but present in animal cell. Mark it, present in animal cell. Second option is cell wall. Cell wall is missing in plant cell? No, it is not missing in plant cell, so it's not the right answer. It's not the right answer. Next, cell membrane. No, it is not missing in plant cell, it is present in plant cell. Next is mitochondria. Mitochondria is present in both the cells, as I have told in earlier question. So the correct answer for this would be centriole. Okay, and this is second option. Okay, right. Okay, what is the main content of cytoplasm? Now, what is cytoplasm? In any cell there is a matrix, there is a fluid matrix in the cell in background. Okay, where different organelles are floating inside it. Okay, so the major portion of this part, green which I have marked as green, major part in that is water, and that part is known as cytoplasm now. So water is main part of it, because it is fluid gel like. You might get confused in between gel. Okay, last option is gel, but we have been asked what is the main content of cytoplasm. The answer should be water, because 90% of cytoplasm is water only. Okay, done. Now next question is question 6. Proteins are made up of. I have told you while teaching that proteins are made up of amino acid, like amino acid 1, amino acid 2, amino acid 3. This chain makes a protein. So the answer should be amino acid. Okay, proteins are made up of amino acid. That should be the right answer. Next one is our genetic material DNA is present in. Genetic material DNA is present in. So where is our DNA present? It's simple. It is present in nucleus. Everyone should get this right. Okay, the answer should be nucleus. The answer is nucleus. Okay. No, but you might get confused that DNA is also present in mitochondria and chloroplast. Okay, DNA is also present in these both, but in option, see this option carefully. There is no organelle. Mitochondria and chloroplast is not given in the option, only nucleus is given. And whenever we ask a DNA, it means the main DNA of our body, and this is present in nucleus, so nucleus is the right answer. Okay, the next question is a semi-autonomous organelle. Semi-autonomous organelle are mitochondria and chloroplast. Why? And what is semi-autonomous organelle? Semi-autonomous organelle means which the organelles which have their own DNA and can make their own protein. Okay, so the answer is mitochondria and chloroplast, first option. Okay, check your answers. If they are right, good. If you are wrong, then see and listen the correct explanation of the questions and write it down somewhere, that why you got this question wrong. Okay, now let's discuss the 10th question. 10th question is, we have been given a diagram, and this diagram is taken from your textbook only, Homi Bhabha textbook only. So the first question which is based on this diagram based question is, which is plant cell? Okay, so what is the identification? When you are given two cells, you should find out first, to find out which is plant and which is animal, you should find out that which cell has cell wall. Okay, so you can see your cell wall is written. Okay, you can see nicely. I'll zoom it. Cell wall. Okay, cell wall is present only in plant cell. Okay, plant cell. So which one is plant cell? This one is plant cell, this one is plant cell. So B. So second cell is plant cell. And which is animal cell? First cell is animal cell. It's quite simple, na? Let me erase this first. Now let's move on to the second question. Second question is done. Animal cell is first one. This one is animal cell, and this one is plant cell. Okay. Now what is A? A means the labeling which is given here. Okay. A. A. See, this one is A. A is this one. This portion. So what is A? A is nucleus. Yes. A is nucleus. I hope I don't have to write the spelling of it. You might know the spelling of nucleus. Okay, this is the answer. A is nucleus. And I will suggest that you must draw this diagram, twice or thrice, because you need to learn this diagram with the labelings. Okay, good. Next one is semi-autonomous organelles are represented by which letters. You should know what are semi-autonomous organelles, which have their own DNA and can make their own protein. So which are the two autonomous organelles? Mitochondria and chloroplast. Where is mitochondria? See here, this is mitochondria. E is mitochondria, okay, and chloroplast is F. So E and F represent semi-autonomous organelle. E is mitochondria and F is chloroplast. Okay, learn this question. It might come in your examination. Okay. So, vacuole is larger in which cell? A or B? Where is vacuole? See, this one is vacuole for second cell. And where is the vacuole for this one? First cell? I think it is not marked. Okay, but it might be this one, the small one. Small and towards the periphery is vacuole. Okay, so vacuole is larger in which cell? B cell. B means second cell. Okay, and you should know that vacuole is larger in which cell? A plant cell. So the answer should be plant cell. And in first question only you have told me the answer that the plant cell is second one. So the answer for last question, vacuole is larger in which cell, is second cell. Okay. Okay, goodbye.